This is LRC10 Leather Air Freshener. It has the most amazing, unique, genuine, built-in leather aroma you could possibly think of. It is a water-based aroma that goes in here as well, which makes it very unique. So it is not oil-based, and it is ultra-safe, and it is fully water-based, and it is absolutely amazing. The smell is just divine. It comes from a 50ml bottle right up to a 5 litres. Application is very, very simple. You can just mist it into the air or mist it underneath the seats in your car or on the underside of your couch just before guests arrive, and they would imagine that you have got a brand new leather couch in your home, or it's a brand new car that they've just stepped into with brand new leather inside. It is absolutely fantastic, and it lasts a very long time as well. Application is simple. It is a spray bottle. As you can see, the trigger spray is locked. Move this little fob there, and the trigger spray will work. That is LRC10 Leather Air Freshener, which you can buy from our website, leatherrepaircompany.com.